Hi guys, and welcome back to the Green Witch Homestead. I'm Kimberly, and today I'm going to take you into the garden and show you a few little beauty tricks that I do with my plants and why I grow certain things in my garden. But first, I want to show you my sunflowers. These guys have exploded since last weekend when I was telling you I was excited about them opening up. I've got sunflowers everywhere. Look at this one. That is so pretty. I got another little one over there. These are lemon queen, and they're that pretty soft yellow. I'm not 100% sure on the name of those ones. And these over here are your typical orange sunflowers. Getting back to the real reason why we're here. Today I'm going to show you how I make a hair spritz. It helps keep your scalp healthy, which promotes good hair growth and reduces early graying. So the plants that we're after today are here in my tea garden, and we are going for the rosemary and the sage. Rosemary is a natural antiseptic, and using it will stimulate your scalp, help open up your pores, and will allow the longer hair growth and thicker hair. If you've ever taken rosemary and rubbed your fingers together, they kind of feel oily. That additive will help cleanse your follicles and help prevent early graying. Sage is a natural preservative. That's why it's used in sausage. So we're going to use just a couple leaves of sage in our mix today to help keep it shelf stable for longer. Keep in mind, both of these plants are very pungent, and if you don't like the smell of them, you're also going to want to look into some kind of essential oil like lavender or lemon or something else that's got a powerful scent that you prefer better to put a couple drops in your mix. I actually like the smell combination of these two. I usually add 1 or 2 drops of lemon essential oil just to give it a hint of citrus, but otherwise I like the smell. That's going to be totally up to you. Once you start doing this next step, you'll know what it's going to smell like, and then you can choose to add scent if you want. So I've talked in an earlier video on the different ways of processing plants to extract the benefits that they can give us. Today we are working with what's called a decoction. Now, a decoction is very similar to a tea, only instead of boiling your water and pouring it onto your leaf, you are boiling your water and adding your plants to that boiling water. If you need something stronger than just brewing it as a tea, you would do a decoction. So we're just gonna roughly chop into smaller pieces. You don't have to, you're not cooking with this, so you don't have to take it off the stem. You just want as much of the essential oils as possible. So you're just gonna kind of score them a little bit and get everything ready. When making a decoction, there's no real measurements required. Now, obviously, if you're using like 1 leaf in a gallon of water, it's not going to be strong enough. You want about 20% plant to water ratio. It's not a science with a decoction. Get your water to a light simmer, and then you just add your rosemary in. You're just going to lightly boil it for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then take it off the heat. Leave the rosemary in the water and let it sit until it comes back down to room temperature. So once your mixture has come back down to room temperature, you just get yourself a little spray bottle. I like using these little mister ones. You can use one of the squirt ones that gives a heavier stream if you want. And if you have any extras, you just put it in a jar that you keep in a dark place, or just put it in a dark jar. At this stage is when you would add any scent if you wanted to. Only a couple drops. Remember, you don't want to have too much oil in this as it is a water-based product. Once it's done, it's pretty much ready to go. And all you would do is just spray it on your hair. Try and keep it around the scalp. If you have an issue with thinning at here or here, you would kind of concentrate on these areas. It also, like I said, helps with keeping your hair from going gray. Give it a good misting and then work it in with your fingers. And it is a water based, so it can be left in. It's not necessary, but you can use it right after a shower so you have access to your scalp a little more. It is a scalp stimulant. That's what helps keep your hair healthy and grow, so you don't have to spray it on the ends of your hair. It's just up here that you concentrate and work it in. It works, and I love it. It's always fun to get things out of your garden other than just food, beauty products, medicine. There's so many things that Mother Nature grows and that we can access if just a little bit of research and time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a try. Let me know down in the comments below if you give it a try or if you've used a rosemary hairspray before. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. And remember guys, get your hands dirty.